What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great today. It's been crazy. It's been crazy and things are getting worse and people need to play their part. I am literally distancing myself. There's nobody around me and just out for my jog. What can I say about this YouTube channel? Like, I really wanted to make this YouTube channel a big win, create this channel all about finance and have all these big plans. And I said to myself, like, 2020 was going to be my year. And then it was starting to look that way. And up until, like I said, recently, it just, you know, work's been reduced, pay's not the same. I'm torn between the idea of, like, right now I'm working in 2 essential businesses and it's good to see that. It's good to kind of go into that work in that space. But on one hand, like, I'm torn between going to work and then could be catching something, right? Catching, I don't know, like, you know, I'm not monetized or anything like that, but like, I'm not sure if everyone's saying that or not, but just not sure if I'm going to catch anything or not. But the other flip side, it's like, I want to stay home as well too, try to keep my family safe on one hand, just keep everything kind of like, I really want to play my part in this. And yeah, so, but I'm sure a lot of people are going through the same feeling as well too, right? Like, everybody just had like their year, their moment. 2020 is gonna be my year, and things, people are setting goals, and next, you know, all this stuff hits the fan. And what can I say, what can we do? And like I said, it's just everybody's businesses, freelancers, and everything is all up in here. And I'm not saying this, I'm trying to get at a point here where we have to play a part in this, right? We have to go and stay home, do our best, do our very best, let others know as well too. Like I said, I work in essential business, like, so like they gave me special permits and everything like that to be out and about, there from work and back. And right now, like I said, I'm just out jogging. I'm about to go home right now and then stay home, and that's really it. Keeping my distance, nobody is around me. But some people aren't, and it's frustrating to kind of see that, right? A lot of people, after the first week or so, like, I've seen a lot of challenges, a lot of people just kind of adding to this, trying to boost each other up and everything like that. I kind of suspected this is what's going to happen afterwards, when like everything just kind of quiets down a little bit, right? A lot of people are kind of worried now, like, you know. So a few things that I can recommend, if I can, to go and share with you guys. One of the biggest things right now is that a lot of people are up in the air with their jobs and everything. And so I always recommend that instead of going to spend 3 hours on Netflix, spend 2 hours on Netflix and then 1 hour on learning a new skill set that can later on, once all this passes, you can actually learn and freelance your skills, create a side hustle, and create money. One little example that I did recently actually is like sign up for Fiverr.com as a seller and selling, because I used to go and edit podcasts, right? So I'm studying on how to like create more marketing and create like editing my podcast videos and create like podcast edit audios as well too, and just kind of focus on that. Returning that skill set, so that way I can freelance that on Fiverr.com. I'm going to link that in below as well too, so in case of you guys, like I said, something to think about. If you guys have a skill set right now that you can freelance on the internet, do it, right? Practice that. I know it's going to suck in the very beginning. It's probably not going to take off. Like I said, like, a lot of this really reminds me of like this YouTube channel that I really wanted to start up. I don't even know how many people is going to watch this right now, but if I can add to this, yes, I will add to this, right? And so going to be adding to this, and this is one idea that I had recently, right? Like, if you have a skill set in graphic designs, if that's what you were laid off from, right? Or like, you know, computer programmer or anything like that, jump on Fiverr.com and it's just freelance those skill sets, right? Try to find people who are in dire need right now of that, because right now it's a perfect time because a lot of people are being laid off. And so see if you can go and get that, right? Right now I just went and started that account, and then so far nothing has popped up yet because I'm trying to learn how to market that. It's pretty complex, but it's actually a big learning curve, and it's actually pretty fun actually when you're trying to learn how to freelance, because later on, I know for sure later on, once all this is said and done, I can really focus on that even more as well too. Having the extra cash, that extra cushion is super important. Another example as well too, let's just say you don't have a skill set that you can like freelance out. You can jump onto Udemy.com. Udemy? I don't know. Udemy. I'm gonna call it Udemy, okay? link below, okay? It's about $15 or so if it's on sale. Wait until it's on sale. If it's not on sale right now, don't get it yet. Wait until it goes on sale. There may be a sale coming up because like there is something for Easter, so there may be an Easter sale. Wait for that, okay? Because usually the courses on there are very valuable. It's people that are in the field right now. They're sharing their knowledge. They're creating extra income, and you're willing to learn that as well too. So go on there and buy a course for roughly about $13 to $15 or so. To me, that's a good price point. And this is Canadian, right? So it's probably cheaper in the US. Like US, we're talking about maybe, I don't know, $10 or so, conversions and everything in place. So yeah, go on there, learn a new skill set. Take an hour instead of like your 3 hours Netflix binge and wallow in this craziness. Because like, yeah, I recommend doing that as well, to feeling the emotions. Because one thing you shouldn't do is bottle up the emotion, the frustration and everything like that, and then lash it out on people who don't deserve it, right? So go and do that. Go and learn your skill set. All right, that's one idea that I had as well too, to go and help. Another thing as well too, go out for walks and keep your distance as well too. It calms the mind. It really refocuses and everything. That's the best that I've got right now to add to this, because like I said, I have plans for this channel for personal finance, working hard. You guys can track and everything. And now this is what I'm gonna do, right? I'm gonna help you help me. I'm helping myself too. I'm actually doing this at the same time, learning courses on udemy.com, and then I'm freelancing those skill sets on fiverr.com as well too. I already know how to like edit like audio podcasts and everything. So like I said, do whatever you can, whatever it is. Like if you have like a knack, if right now you're like a manager for like a branding firm or anything like that, do that. Jump on, put it up there. You don't know, right? You don't know what's gonna happen, right? And then use that. Another tip as well, so let's just say you do follow this Fiverr like account, then go and promote it on your Instagram page, promote it on like any social media. Be like, hey guys, like for me, for example, like I should be going on to like Facebook groups and like podcast Facebook groups, like, hey guys, do you guys need help with your podcast editing and everything? Here are some of my examples. Check it out. Let me know if you guys need any help, and get started, right? Make a couple bucks here and there, right? If you commit to like some of these projects, you can help alleviate the bills a little bit, right? Because I'm sure a lot of people like having their bills kind of stacked up right now. They're not sure. They're hoping for the government to kind of kick in, because I know there's some relief on some of the governments, and I hope that kicks in. Like I said, I don't want to see businesses fall under. I don't want to see people lose their homes and everything like that. And a lot of companies are doing their best, which is amazing to see. I love that, because it's my favorite thing to kind of see that when we come together. This is like the time where we show love for one another. This is the time, and I hope a lot of people will come out of it later on. After all this is said and done, there's going to be a generation of people that's going to be like saving money. They're going to be like, just reminds me of like the boomer days. Everybody's going to be saving money. Everybody's going to be focusing on like you know, if you guys don't have it, they're not going to get into debt, right? Especially me, I've learned my lesson, that's for sure. Yeah, so like, call your credit card companies. Another exercise as well too that helps is deferring your credit cards. If you have payments or anything like that, call them up, call each of them up, and see if you can get it deferred. Lower interest rates could be that. It could be pushing the payments back a little bit, or even paying a little bit can go a long way as well too. Kind of help with the budget, because like I said, most companies are stepping up, which is fantastic to see. I love that to like no end. But anyways, I hope all this helps, this whole entire YouTube channel. I'm going to keep you guys posted on what's going on. Yeah, I just hope the best for every single one out there. I hope that you guys follow through and stay awesome, guys. Stay safe, be awesome, and then do your very best, okay? Yeah, so remember, oh yeah, like I think I have to do this as well, to subscribe to the channel as well too if you guys haven't. Subscribe, and then turn on notification bell. Yeah, I'm new at this, okay? Turn on notification bell as well too, and then yeah, have yourself a great one. Be safe out there, seriously guys. Do your very best, and have yourself a great one. Take care.